Tucked quietly in the heart of a blooming garden, this beautiful little stone house feels like a peaceful retreat kissed by nature and time. Its walls, made of smooth, sun-warmed stone in shades of honey, ash, and soft gray, give the house a grounded, timeless presence. Each stone is slightly irregular, carefully chosen and stacked in harmony, like a puzzle of earth fitted perfectly by human hands. Moss and tiny vines trace along the crevices, softening the structure and blending it gently into the surrounding flora. The roof is a cozy slope of weathered tiles, aged to perfection in tones of terracotta and moss green. A stone chimney rises from one side, slightly tilted and covered in ivy, giving the house the appearance of something out of a countryside painting. When the sun hits it just right, it casts golden shadows across the garden below, making the whole scene feel like a still from a dream. Wooden shutters frame the house's windows, painted a faded sage green and gently creaking when the breeze passes through. Beneath each one, flower boxes overflow with color. Brilliant pink geraniums, purple petunias, trailing lobelia, and delicate white daisies tumble out like living waterfalls. The front door is simple, yet charming, carved from old oak with a soft arch and a tiny glass window that glows warmly from the inside. A little stone path, edged with thyme and chamomile, leads up to the entrance, releasing a gentle fragrance with every step. The garden itself is a paradise, a lively mosaic of wildflowers, herbs, and shrubs that stretch joyfully in every direction. Lavender bushes hum with bees, butterflies dance above tall stalks of foxglove and delphinium, and birdsong fills the air like background music. Roses climb freely along trellises, their blooms heavy and soft, leaning toward the sunlight. All around, the greenery whispers calm. Trees sway slowly in the breeze, casting playful shadows. A small wooden bench under a flowering tree invites moments of pause and reflection. Time here moves gently. The stone house, wrapped in blooms and bathed in quiet light, seems to breathe peace, an ode to simplicity, beauty, and a life deeply rooted in nature.